Scam School Remix. Here's a collection of 2 dead simple rubber band tricks that'll fool everyone and make you wealthy beyond your dreams. It's not true.
I'm gonna start you guys off on the very first rubber band trick I ever learned. I got it around these 2 right here. Say go. That was a fantastic response, right? And it goes both ways. Here you go. Say go.
Go. Oh, what? That was good.
Now, some people think like I'm doing some kind of like it comes off of my fingers and goes to the other side. So here, let's do this. I'm just gonna lock everything in. I'm gonna put this rubber band across all the top so there's no way for me to take it off of those fingers and put it on the other fingers. Make sense? Sound good? All right, here we go. Say go. You guys want to learn that one? That's nuts.
Yeah.
All right, this is everybody's first rubber band trick. Do me a favor, just double over the rubber band between your pinky and ring finger. These 2 right here.
These 2, right?
There you go.
Okay.
A little bit tight, a little bit tight. In the fidgeting, like when you're getting ready to do the trick, all you have to do is reach up, grab the rubber band like this, and put all 4 fingers in it. You want to keep it down low by your fingernails. Tight, make it this.
Yeah.
There you go, there you go. Now that looks good. The other thing is you want to make sure that you aim this straight at their eyes. All you have to do is that.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, yeah.
And it flips right over, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so now again, to go back, the same thing. You just pull it down and get your fingers all the way in. Now remember, you want to have the base of it notched all the way down in your finger, as deep as it'll go. Same thing there, same thing there. And remember, you want to keep it face on so they can't see the fact that you have it notched behind them. You got it? And you just want to just flick it long enough to let it jump. That was good. That was fantastic.
So how do you go back?
To go back, it's the exact same thing. Once you go to one side, you pull back, put the whole fist in, and then beep, beep. That was good. Yes, very good. Right on. Remember, the idea is everyone thinks you're sliding it off the tips of your fingers and putting it on the other. And I love this subtlety because it's based on a false premise. You put one rubber band across the top like you're locking everything in. And you can even push this way on down to say, we're gonna lock these guys right here so there's no way it can escape. But if you think about it, there's no reason it can't just move from one side to the other. So all of this locking it in relies on the idea that you think it's coming off the fingers, but since it never comes off the fingers, you can, even after you've locked it in, have it jump from one side to the other. This one involves a broken rubber band. And I need a ring. Who's got a ring? It was Jenny, right?
Yeah.
Is this a valuable ring?
Yeah.
Good. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. All right, I want you to watch closely. Do you guys believe in telekinesis, the power to move crap with your mind?
Yeah.
Really?
No.
Okay. This is what I love about it, is that it actually looks like you're moving the ring with your mind, and it looks like the ring is sliding up against gravity.
Wow.
What?
Brandon's face is the best.
Wow.
Is that cool?
That is cool.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to learn this one?
Yes.
Everybody go ahead and break one rubber band, like this. If you don't have a ring, you can take another rubber band and balance it on there. I want you to take all of this long spaghetti noodle, and I want you to put it all in your right hand and pinch about like the last, I don't know, centimeter and a half. Everything else is wadded up inside your dominant hand. If you're right-handed, it should be your right hand. If you're left-handed, it should be your left hand. I want you to put either the rubber band or the ring upon it. And this is something that's gonna take a lot of practice for you to get it down to look good. And I want you to pull it tight so it's about 6, 7, 8 inches. And I want you to let whatever it is you plan to levitate rest at the bottom. There you go. All right, now, I want you to start letting just a little bit of, you don't want to jiggle it because it'll keep falling down. You want to very smoothly start releasing bits of the wadded up rubber band from inside your hand. Is that awesome?
Yeah.
It's like, this is one of those tricks where it actually fools yourself. It actually looks like the freaking thing is rising, unless you're Brendan, then it falls down. Because you want to find the right angle so that it actually sits balanced on it and doesn't fall back to the bottom. The only way to ruin this effect is to over milk it, to try to do the effect so much that people figure it out. Like personally, I only try to get it about like halfway up. What you want to do is watch until people have that moment of astonishment and wait until they walk to see you do it again and then never do it again. But look at how easy it is. I'm watching Brendan right now. It looks like that thing's freaking rising up on its own.
I'm a wizard.
2 thoughts on that rising ring. Nowadays, when I do this trick, I don't even use a ring. I use another rubber band. The rubber on rubber contact is stronger, and because it's lighter, it has no trouble sliding right on up. Secondly, while your right hand is paying out that rubber band, some people have a hard time keeping everything super smooth. Here's a pro tip. If you get a little bit of grease off your nose, smooths everything out. I know, it's gross, but trust me, it works. Scam School Remix is the best of our 500 plus episodes and 10 years of Scam School. You can dive into the whole back catalog. Each episode is time compressed, so you learn the maximum amount of scammage in the minimum amount of time. And while you're at it, make sure to check out our other show, The Modern Rogue. It's done here. This is where it happens. This is Jason Murphy's head, right here.